Hello lovely people, here's your girl Ty with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Russian buttercream. It requires 3 ingredients, super easy, and you can never go wrong with it. We're going to need 250 grams of butter. We're going to take our room temperature butter and mix it for like 5 minutes. It seems like a long time, but believe me, it's worth it. It makes a really big difference because it loses its yellowish color and gains a more whitish color, which is really beautiful when you want to decorate a cake or muffin without adding any other color. When your butter is fluffy, you're going to add your condensed milk as I am illustrating in this video. Guys, you can also choose to add your vanilla extract or any other flavor you want. But as for me, I just wanted it pure Russian buttercream. Guys, don't forget to scrub down the bowl a few times during beating just to make sure you're beating everything evenly. The Russian buttercream is really fluffy, tastes really nice and melts on your tongue. If you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe, like and hit the notification bell so that when I upload, you'll get a notification. Bye.